Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Cloud storage is a model of computer data storage where we can upload or store our important files or folders. If you search on Google about cloud storage, you got several results like iCloud, Mega Cloud, OneDrive, and Google Drive, etc. Google Drive is the best cloud storage in ever because of Google Drive offers 15 gigabyte storage as free for everyone. Also, Google server is super fast, so we can upload or download super fast speed in here. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload folders or files in Google Drive. First of all, we need to open Google Drive software. You can download Google Drive software in your computer or your mobile. I am using Google Drive in my browser. Here we can see a simple layout with some messages. Drag your files and folder here or use the new button to upload. You can upload files or folder in here, simply drag and drop support. Also, you can upload files or folder clicking the new button. So I click the new button. Here we can see some options: new folder, file upload, etc. I want to upload a new file, so click the new file upload and select my file, open. Here you can see a progress bar with uploading. After completing the upload, your file goes to my drive folder. Here you can see your all files and folder. Now I want to upload a new file, new folder. Select the folder and click upload. Confirm the upload. Then you can see your progress with your files or folders upload. Folder upload done. You can see your folder. Double click. All file goes here. Okay. Now we create a new folder called news. Open the folder and upload some files using drag and drop. Simple. Your file and folder uploaded by drag and drop support. Hope this video helped you. If helped, please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much.